Now it's time for us to enter the United Kingdom. And let's see some of the animals that are characteristic of that country. One of which is very charming is the red squirrel. Red squirrels, Cirrus vulgaris, are sometimes also called Eurasian red squirrels because they are distributed throughout northern Eurasia, even though their name is red squirrels. The animal diversity page states that they have many color variations apart from red. This squirrel can be brown to black. In contrast to roe deer, red squirrels have experienced a population decline in England. They used to be found in almost all parts of the country. But the arrival of the gray squirrel Cirrus carolinensis from North America pushed the red squirrel population into decline, as reported by the wildlife trusts. Red squirrels are currently only found in northern England. Number 2 is roe deer. Capreolus capreolus is a type of deer that can be found in most parts of Europe, including England. This deer is small in size, only reaching 126 centimeters in length and weighing 30 kilograms. One of their unique features is that their hair color changes according to the season. In summer, this deer is red-brown. Meanwhile, in winter, his hair changes color to gray-white. The males have antlers, but they are short compared to other deer species. These deer are very common in England. In fact, their population continues to increase. Number 3 is gray seals. Halihoris grypus are a species of true seal, which means they do not have external earlobes. They live in the North Atlantic Ocean, including British waters. The size of this seal is quite large, reaching 3 meters in length and weighing up to 400 kilograms. According to the wildlife trusts, gray seals can be seen on beaches throughout the UK all year round. Their population is also quite large, reaching around 120,000 individuals. If you go to England, you have a pretty good chance of seeing them. Number 4 is another type of mammal that we can find in England is the European mini hedgehog Erinaceus europaeus. They are also called Western European hedgehogs because most of their distribution is in Western Europe. This cute hedgehog measures 15 to 30 centimeters and weighs only 2 kilograms. Mini hedgehogs are very popular animals in the UK. They were even named the national animal of Great Britain in 2013. These hedgehogs can still be found throughout England. Even so, they have actually experienced a massive population decline and are in vulnerable status. Number 5 is England is not famous for its reptile life, but there we can find one species of venomous snake, namely the northern latitude viper Vipera according to Animal Diversity. This snake is one of the venomous snakes with the widest distribution in the world. Apart from England, they can be found in most parts of Europe. This snake itself is not too big. It only reaches 80 centimeters in length and weighs 100 grams. They have a habit of hibernating, so they usually cannot be found in winter. This snake's bite to humans is rarely fatal, but it is still painful and requires immediate help. This animal is called a slow worm Anguis fragilis, but actually, they are not a type of worm. They are also not snakes, but rather a species of legless lizard. This is proven by their ability to blink with their eyelids and snap their tails if they feel threatened. This lizard measures up to 50 centimeters long and weighs 100 grams. They eat snails, worms, insects, and spiders. This snake can be found throughout England, especially in the south, however. Like northern latitude vipers, slowworms also hibernate in winter, and that was number 6. Number 7 is England is also home to a very unique insect, namely the hawk moth hummingbird Macroglossum stellatarum. This insect has 3 animal names at once, namely hummingbird, hawk eagle, and moth. However, they are actually a species of moth. If this information is useful and helpful, please follow the rest and please like and subscribe too. Thank you.